Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. I hope you're ready for our new project. We're doing a simple knitted scarf. It's going to be pretty long with a nice width as well in these lovely wine shades. So if you want to see how to do this all by yourself, stay tuned. So let's start with a big spool of Karen cakes. Tea cakes is the name. So you see the colors that we have, lovely red, blue, some purple, and everything in between. And this particular one is called, let's see, hibiscus, or the number 2012. 8mm needles are recommended, and I'll follow that recommendation as well. I'm doing knitting today, so I'll need my line as well. I already put it all together, but I won't be doing rounds. Instead, I'll be doing rows this time. It's 80% acrylic, 20% wool, 8.5 ounces or 240 grams, and 186 meters or 204 yards. So that's it. Let's get started. So here I am and I'm ready to start. So let's leave about 30 to 40 centimeters over here, about 1 foot. And let's start doing stitches. So you will take your thread and do a pretzel shape like this. Go through and pull tight onto your needle. And now I'll take the thread around my index finger. Let me just get some. Around the thumb now, and then we can start. So go under the thread and then over it, and then pull. And by repeating that, you get multiple stitches. Five. Nine. 12, 16 stitches for my width today. So now we will start with knit stitches, and for that I need to turn to the other side. Okay, there we go. So don't mix up the beginning thread and the working thread. Okay, so let's get ready. First stitch goes to the other needle. Thread goes behind the needle. Into the stitch and do a knit stitch. So you go in, take the thread through, and transfer to the other needle. Super easy. Okay, now I have all of my stitches on the needle. So let's again turn to the other side. And again, take the first stitch onto the needle and do all stitches knitwise. And now turn around. Transfer to the other needle and again knit stitches to the end. So you can slowly recognize the pattern. So 3 rows are done, and this is basically all there is, and I'll just show you the color change. Okay, so here's the red section and the lovely pattern already. So I'm now coming to the row where my color is going to change, and we are moving to the blue, and then later the changes will be to other shades, which you can all see in this pool already. So I'll continue with knit stitches. So if you want to see the edge, you can notice the V's in here. And the other side has the same thing. So let's meet a bit later. Okay, so here is my scarf now, pretty long. I have almost 2 meters or 2 yards, a bit under. It is stretchy though. So I have just a little bit of wool left over, so I'll end it right here. We need to cast the stitches off now. Let me just get this a little bit in order. Okay, so take the edge stitch onto the needle and the second stitch as well. And pull the first over the second stitch like this. And then you can repeat the same thing with other stitches as well. And at the last stitch, so we will have just 1 loop left, and we can simply pull the thread out. Pull tight, and that's it. And all that is left is to weave in the beginning thread and the end thread, and I'll show you the colors that we have here in the scarf. So I like the section that's kind of with mixed shades in it. So this is purple with something else as well. And apart from that, we have some red here as well, and some burgundy and some blue. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you like the end result. Feel free to let me know in the comment section what you think. If you did enjoy, feel free to shoot us a thumbs up as well. And you can even subscribe if you'd like to see more and stay updated every time we post. So thanks for watching DIY Ideas. See you next time. Bye!